For this egg suction experiment, the supplies that you'll need is one container that's roughly the size of an egg, a small piece of paper, and a lighter. First, you'll want to boil some water in a small pot, and once the water's boiling, place the eggs in and wait around 10 minutes. Then, carefully remove the eggs and place them in a container with cold water. Then, you'll want to carefully break the eggshells off the egg, not to damage the boiled egg inside, and roll your piece of paper up tight. Once that, you want to quickly light your piece of paper and place it in the container. Want to know how this works? Check the video description below, and make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.